This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin D capsules. Vitamin D is incredibly important for your overall health, playing a key role in bone strength and immune function. It's common for people to have insufficient levels, particularly when there's less sunlight. Taking a vitamin D supplement can be a simple and effective way to ensure your body gets enough of this vital nutrient, helping you maintain optimal health year-round. When considering vitamin D, it's essential to talk to your doctor about the right dosage for you. They can help determine your specific needs. You'll often find vitamin D in two forms, D2 and D3. Vitamin D3 is typically recommended as it's more readily used by the body. Capsules are a popular choice because they provide a consistent dose and are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. For the best absorption, always take your vitamin D capsule with a meal that includes some fat. This helps your body process the vitamin more effectively. Consistency is key, so try to take your supplement at the same time each day to make it a habit. Remember, while vitamin D is beneficial, it's important not to take very high doses unless specifically advised by a healthcare professional. While vitamin D is good for you, too much can cause issues such as nausea or feeling tired. It's important to stick to recommended dosages. Proper storage is also crucial. Keep your capsules in a cool, dry spot, away from direct light, to maintain their potency. And always check the expiration date on the bottle to ensure your supplement is still effective and safe to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.